Hello, it's another wonderful day to solve maths. So today we are going to deal on differentiation. Let's see this now. We are told if y equals x cubed, find the derivative function of the y. Find the derivative function of the y dx. So what does this simply mean? We are just simply told to differentiate. Now, previously we've done differentiation of different about the formula method, but I've get this request a lot. Let's try differentiation using the first principle. I will give you the 411 in no hard. Follow me. So let's deal with the solution here, please. We are having here y equals x cubed. So the first thing to do is to differentiate, add the y to the side of y and add the x to the side of what? X. Let's see this. So we are going to have y, the y plus y equals now x plus dx. Then the power, which is what? 3. Are we following now? So now let's make the y subject formula. We have the y equals x plus dx cubed constant over here minus 1. Now what's the value for y? The value for y is what? X. So we're going to have here dy equals x plus dx cubed minus what? What's the value for y? X. I'm following now. Very easy. Now the next thing to do is to open up this bracket. Now in order to open up this bracket, this is the bracket more than 3, that is under polynomial. Now we have to open it using what? Using the Pascal's triangle. If you don't understand the Pascal's triangle, you can check my previous videos, it's already there. So let's try to expand this now. We have the y equals x, we take the power of 3, y dx, we take power of what? 0, plus x, we take power of 2, y dx, we take power of what? 1, plus x, we take 1, y dx, we take what? We take 2, plus x, we now take 0, then dx, we take what? 3. Then remember, we still have minus x cubed. This is x cubed, sorry. Minus what? X cubed here. So let's continue. We have the y equals x cubed times any to the power of 0 is 1. So this will give us what? Times 1 plus x squared times dx plus x times the same dx here. That will give us the x all squared plus this will give us 1 times dx cube minus x cube. So break it down further, we are going to have that the y will give us x cube plus x squared dx plus x bracket dx all squared plus dx cube minus what? X cube. Now, knowing the fully further from here, how many values do we have after we've expanded this? Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4. That is for this now. Let's make this a bracket for us to differentiate it with the other ones we have done here now. Let's make this now. I think that's much better this way. So how many values do we have? We have here 1, 2, 3, 4. So let us create the Pascal's triangle and see where these numbers fall into. Now in order to create the Pascal's triangle, this is how to create it. 1, it starts with 1. The next one is 1, 1. The next one is what? 1. 1 plus 1, 2 and 1. Next one is 1. This plus this is 3. This plus this is 3 and what? 1. The next one is 1. This plus this is 4. This plus this is 6. This plus this is 4 and 1. And that's how you keep on creating. If you want to create the next one, we have 1 plus 4, 5, 4 plus 6, which is 10, 6 plus 4, which is another 10, then 4 plus 5, 4 plus 1, which is 5, then what? 1. But if you look at it now, how many values do we have here now? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. So which one has 4 values? 1, 2, 3, 4. That is for this. So this will give us 1 here. 3. This will give us 1, 3, 3, 1. So we're going to multiply this to this now. We have, that means the y will give us 1 times x cube will give us x cube. 3 times this will give us plus 3x squared dx plus 3 times will give us 3x dx squared plus 1 times will give us what? Dx what? Cube minus x squared. So having noticing this now, we've just expanded this now. Let's see. Let's deal with this now. Now, what happens here? First of all, let's try to see whether we can cancel out in any time. So this is plus x cube and this is minus x cube. So this and this cancels out. So we are leaving us with the y equals 3x squared dx, 3x squared dx plus, here will give us what? 3x dx squared, 3x dx squared plus what? Brackets dx what? Cube. This is 3x squared, let me write it very well. 3x brackets dx what? Squared. So what's happened then? The next thing is to do here is to divide through by dx. We'll divide through by dx. So having here, this will give us the y dx will give us 3x squared dx all over dx plus 3x brackets dx squared all over dx plus dx r cube over dx. Now let's see, this cancels out this. If this cancels out this, we have only one dx remaining here. This cancels out this, we have 2 dx. So this will give us the y over dx equals 3x squared plus 3x dx, because we only have one dx remaining here, plus, if you cancel this, we only have 2 dx squared. We only have 2 remaining, so we have here plus dx what? Squared. That is only what is what remaining here. Then the next thing to do here, we have to say let dx, we have to say dx tends to be what? 0. Dx tends to be what? 0. So that is wherever we see dx, then we should put what? 0. So here giving us the y over dx will give us now 3x squared plus 3x bracket 0 plus 0 squared. Are we following now? So definitely this will give us 0, this will give us 0. So we only have here to give us what? 3x squared. And this is how to differentiate using the first principle. That is it. See you in the next video.